Hi, I'm Jacqueline Whitten, owner of the Whitten Group Marketing, and I'm excited to speak with you about our aligner packaging options. We know that as an office, you want to present your 3D printed custom aligners in a polished, professional manner. So our aligner boxes allow you to do just that. This was the first product we created a few years ago for our client, Dr. Bill Lehman. He wanted something that would allow him to display each of the 5 aligners that he planned to deliver at the start of treatment, and the box is numbered here 1 through 5, plus room for the retainer case and an emery board in case someone had a rough edge. Now this product was a little bit more flimsy and a lighter weight cardboard whenever we produced it, and it was printed internationally. We searched for a great while to find someone domestically who could create a box very similar in design, a little bit more sturdy in case there was a need to mail this box to the patient, and provide the flexibility to customize the insert. Every office will have a different size retainer case. They might not want to include an emery board. It might be a retainer or a liner remover tool or a whitening pen or something like that. So when we created this box, we wanted to show that you could also print on the inside, some fun messages on the outside. We want your aligners to be delivered in a way that it is a shareable moment for your patients. They are unboxing their new smile journey, and we want your brand and your tagline and your logo to be all over your packaging so that when patients do share this, your practice gets the recognition. Now, of course, we had some people ask for a little bit more flexibility, so as we've worked through this process, we've evolved what we can offer. We don't have to just stick with 5 aligner slots. This is an example of a box that had 8 spots. And of course, this area could be printed with a marketing message. You could print on the inside like we did on our sample, and we could number these 1 through 8. It could be 2, it could be 10. It really can be any combination of whatever you need. But then we started hearing that people might not want a designated amount of aligner spots. So we created a different box. This one is a little bit more square, a little bit more, tall in height here to allow for stacking of the aligners. This box right here, you can stack the aligners, and of course the bags themselves will be numbered which tray of 1 of 20, 2 of 20, to make it easy for your patients to follow. The way this box was designed is so that this part where it stacks the aligners will line up flush with the lid. I hope that you can see this the right way. But this was designed so that labs can mail this to doctors, so that when they open it, the aligners themselves don't move out of this spot. And of course, there's room here for the retainer case if you wanted to include a whitening tool or something along those lines. Now, some people even ask, like, hey, we don't need space for all the extra giveaways. As a lab, we're just going to give them the aligners and a retainer case. So of course, any combination of these options is a possibility for your practice. One thing to know about our design process, you're going to send me everything that you intend to include in the box, your aligners, your retainer case, the whitening tool, whatever the case might be. We're going to give that to our production facility, and you're going to get a mock-up very similar to this where you can try and make sure that the box actually works with the way you intend it to work. Then while that process is happening, we will do the design work. We will design it in a way that it matches your brand, your logo, your tagline, all of the things that are important to you. We can print this on the outside and inside like the sample I showed of my practice, or we can print it on the outside only of the box. What we'll do in that case is we'll flip the white to be what shows here whenever the box lid is open, and we will print on this cardboard colored material. So we have tons of options to help you develop exactly what you need for your practice. Prices will depend on the size of the box, the colors, if we print outside and inside, and a few other little factors, but we will customize this exactly the way you need it. I look forward to speaking with you soon about your custom aligner package.